Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. I hope you are all doing well today. So I'm back today with another sewing project, and today's project is about 70s oversized pointed collar top. Oversized pointed collars are clearly having a major moment right now. Sharp collar shirts were all the rage, and they are actually something you don't have to wait till spring to work into your wardrobe. They are ideas for laying under sweater and even under jackets. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own oversized pointed collar top with puffy sleeves. Are you ready to go old school? Let's get started. First, you can have your own patterns cutting if you have one, but it is alright if you don't have. You can always pick a top that fits you well from your wardrobe and trace it out. So that's all for this project, and here is a look at how it turns out. I'm so in love with this top and I just can't wait to style it. I love how the collar show out and it is just the best match with my puffy sleeves. And I'm so happy I picked this fabric for my top, and it is so soft and comfy. Hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, more photos of this will be on my Instagram. And don't forget, if you make any of my things, use hashtag #MakeWithPeggyPeggy so I can find it and shower love on it. If you are all the way here without subscribing, just subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!